Hello, and welcome to today's ClassClac tutorial on hypothesis testing. To view a full list of the hypothesis tests we offer, you can go to the Test subcategory found under Stats. Let's start today off with the z-test. Using our handy tip here, we know that the z-test takes as its input a population mean, population standard deviation, sample mean, and sample size. As we can see in the output, we're given the z-score and the p-values of our three possible alternative hypotheses. If we're given raw data, such as the list A here, we can toggle the data option instead. If you'd like, you can input the data directly, or you can simply input the name of the list. Lastly, as a quick tip, you can type in the acronym for any hypothesis test to quickly input it. For example, we can type in TPZT to input a 2-prop z-test. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassClac tutorial. For more, visit classclac.com/tutorials.